I'm Mark Sudonk with GSG. Today in the Applications Lab, I have some exciting news about a new ink from Avient Specialty Inks, and that's going to be Wilflex Epic Rival Sport LC Defender. What is LC Defender? LC Defender is going to replace the Epic Armor series. If you're familiar with Armor Gray or Armor Black, they were superior inks for stopping dye migration on those really tough polyester garments. The reason they've switched over to LC Defender has a much better viscosity for ease of printability on press. So you can actually print this gray through a higher mesh count to give you a softer feel on a polyester garment and actually still have that superior dye migration blocking. So that's a little bit of information about Epic Rival Sport LC Defender. So now let's go on press and I'll show you how it prints. For our LC Defender screen, we're going to use a 123/55 thin mesh. It has a 20% EOM with our emulsion. We're using a 60-90-60 durometer squeegee, and we're going to do one single pass on this, and that's going to be enough to stop the dye migration on this really bad black polyester garment. And one noticeable difference with the LC Defender, you can see through this 123, it really cleared the screen in that single print stroke. Another advantage of the LC Defender is you have a very fast flash time, right at about 180 to 200 degrees, because it has a low cure of 250 to 275. So it speeds up your production and you get a really nice, smooth print. To really show how this blocks dye migration on polyester, what we're gonna do is we're using a cotton white through a 156 mesh, using a standard 70 durometer squeegee. We're gonna do one single print stroke, and we're gonna go ahead and run this through the dryer. Even though LC Defender cures between 250 and 275, we're gonna run this polyester shirt through at a standard 320 degrees, just to show you that the LC Defender will stop the dye migration at standard cure. We want to give our LC Defender Gray at least 24 hours to sit to see how it really stopped the dye migration on this black polyester garment. As you can clearly see, this side here that has the LC Defender Gray underneath it, it clearly stopped the dye migration and we have a really nice bright white. But during that 24-hour period, the standard white has obviously been affected by the dye migration. For more information, reach out to your local GSG sales rep or visit us at gogsg.com. And remember, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.